So I'm trying the fucking ube pie from Red Ribbon. I mean, Jollibee. First time trying it, and I wasn't gonna take a video, but I was like, well, I never try new shit from Jollibee because we always get the same shit. But let's try this shit. Ooh. That's really fucking good. Oh my god. Iris, try the ube pie. It's so good. You have to try it.
Okay.
It's so good. I'm not usually wouldn't. I'm taking a video for YouTube.
Okay.
Well,
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It's so good.
Mm.
You know, I was like, I want one. And then she was just like, okay, two. And I was just like, I didn't correct her. I'm glad I didn't correct her. She was doing me a fucking favor.
That's mom.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Whoa. It's like creamy. It's not just like straight ube. It's like creamy kind of. It has like a cheesecake-ish vibe. 10 out of 10.
11.
Oh, I gotta tell my man about this. Oh my god. Holy shit, keep that. That is so good. And then this is the coconut refresher. It's really fucking good too. Never had anything bad from Jollibee. Just does not happen. Literally doesn't happen. Goddamn. Ma! Try the ano. The ube pie. Sarap naman. Hoy! Ma! Wanna try the ube pie? Ube pie. So good. No, na yun. Try. Try pa lang. So good. Ube pie.
Well, I'm just saying, that
Video.
you deserve someone
Why?
Anong thoughts mo?
underneath that often bossy
Sarap,
take
no?
charge sometimes.
May look
socially
na.
tolerant.
Ay! Hoy! No! Don't do that! Ang daga. Ano?
Decent guy.
Why?
Bagdado naman.
Why naman
That's nice, thank you.
Everyone is so mad at him all the time, but he's never mad. So, ano ba it? Hey, Coco. Mamu. Where's Mamu?
According to Mr. and Mrs. Jack.
Oh. Okay, Mamu can't. Oh, shit. Okay. My Mamu can't try it. But this is really good. Parang bahalaya. It's not just like dry ass ube. Oh my god. Whoever the fuck does like research and development with Jollibee is like his seat in heaven. Huh? Tatlo. Dalawa. Tatlong ano pie, isang peach mango, dalawang ano ube. The thing is, the lady is actually she's good, ma. Because I got one of one each. I said peach mango pie, one ube, and then she heard it as two ube pie. I didn't correct her. But it's good we have two because it's shit. It's good. You wanna try, Mamu? Well, I'll let you bite it. You wanna bite it? Hmm?
I cannot bite that.
Okay. Here. Shit. Hard to cut, Mamu, kasi look. Ma'am, I think you could, look, it's hard to cut, Mamu. Tingnan mo, oh.
I will cut it.
I want to watch you try. Mm.
I need to finish it.
It's really good, seriously.
You need to close everything.
I know, I didn't leave here yet. I just want everyone to try it.
It's a knife.
Okay. We don't have one out. I used the fork to cut the yum burger.
They already had this before.
Really?
Yeah.
I never tried it. I think they had it with makapuno.
Yeah. Ube makapuno.
Yeah, this one ube lang.
This is halaya. Na-try mo, Mi? Halaya lang nilagay sa loob ng pie.
But it's a good halaya. Anong thoughts mo?
Ha?
What do you think?
That's good.
Good, diba?
For change.
They gave me 2. I'm happy.
Kasi divide by 2 even the fish pie.
Oh, really?
They have mango pie. They have fish pie, mango pie, and ube.
Yeah. Do they still have the banana langka or just the peach mango pie? Ako, I like langka, but I don't like the langka pie. I know, I'm covered. Or this is fine outside too. No,
Cold.
there's a
What is
small
this?
hole. Spaghetti.
My God, ang dami pang laman ng ano niya. The chicken.
I know, I'm so... Hey, look at mine.
That's what I'm saying. Just put it inside, remove the ano.
I'm gonna eat the rest. I'm gonna eat Irish chicken bones later.
Nasaan yung panakit?
I'm gonna maybe eat that. Huh?
Emi, nasan yung pink na panakit? Asa tabi ni Crystal, parang bulag. The pink umbrella.
Oh shit.
Give it to me.
I'll eat the rest of Iris's chicken in a bit. I ate a little bit of it, but I got full from everything. I get full easily lately. I noticed that, right? Because I'm not stressed out anymore or something.
Okay, you need to stop.
Huh?
You need to sleep early.
I know. I'm working on it.
Don't go back to the old habits.
I'm fine. I know how to sleep early. I'm gonna stay up today and then go to sleep early. I will throw this.
Don't let the dog get
I know. Oh shit. Hiccup. Bullshit. I love the coconut drink.
Ano ba to? Hamburger?
Yeah.
Fold it backward. Kasi ikaw pag mayroon ng fly, you will not touch it anymore.
Okay, there. It's fine now. Do you want this cup?
Oh my God. Put it there. It's going up.
It says the Jollibee is big. Hey, but everything is covered. Oh shit. I think it's okay.
Throw that here.
Oh, we have a kitchen trash.
One.
Saan?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, it's better, and we will throw it later. Fast. Okay, I will wash my hands now.
What are you getting there?
Ay! Oh shit. Go on. Okay. I will make it. Hi, baby boy. Oh, my baby. You're just my baby. Yes, it's all my handsome boy. Okay, bye guys.